Most people jump into dropshipping tools without knowing what they really do, and that mistake can cost you time, money, and motivation. If you're thinking about using Tradell, you won't believe what most users misunderstand about this platform. Today, I'm sharing an honest, clear breakdown of my experience so you can decide if Tradell is worth it before you spend a single dollar. Tradell is an all-in-one dropshipping research and product sourcing platform. It's designed to help you find winning products, track trends, and connect directly with suppliers. The main promise is simple: reduce the guesswork and speed up your store setup. But does it really work? When you first log in, the dashboard shows trending products, daily winning items, and profit margins based on estimated ad costs and supplier pricing. This is where Tradell stands out. Instead of random products, you get data-driven suggestions based on sales velocity and engagement. I tested several product ideas and found that the trend tracking was surprisingly accurate, especially for social media-driven products. The product import feature is another highlight. You can connect Tradell to your Shopify store and push products in just a few clicks. Titles, descriptions, images, and pricing sync automatically. This saves hours of manual work, especially if you're just starting out. However, most people get this wrong. Tradell does not guarantee sales. It gives you tools, not success. You still need strong product pages, good ad creatives, and smart marketing. Also, some of the best features are locked behind higher plans, which may not fit every beginner's budget. In conclusion, Tradell is a powerful research and automation tool for dropshippers who want speed and data-backed decisions. If you are ready to take your store seriously and invest in better tools, it can be a great addition. If this helped you, subscribe for more honest business tool reviews and dropshipping tips.